Did the robot make you do it? Artificial intelligence is new tech and it's here to stay. Are you wondering if it's right for you? Maybe you're scared of it because it reminds you of those horror sci-fi movies. But fear not. Searchie's AI feature can take the audio or video files from your Searchie library and come up with suggestions for titles, takeaways, and more. If you want or need suggestions for any reason, you can ask Searchie's AI to go back to the drawing board and give you more suggestions. Suggestions, that's the best way to think about using AI to help you with your content. You're not having AI take over the writing, but rather using AI to generate ideas based on your content and then using those suggestions as a quick and easy springboard as you finalize your material. It's like adding a copywriter to your staff for no extra money. Here's to your Searchie success.